My name is Colonel Kevin Potts. I'm the garrison commander here at Fort Indiantown Gap. It's like being the mayor of a small town is what it's like. I have my own staff, which is not very big, but we have this massive impact. So as the training center, we oversee everything that takes place in training. So we oversee all the ranges, all the training areas, MWR, the gyms, PX, clothing sales, the club, and all of the buildings. We oversee all of that, trying to make it updated, as nice as we possibly can for the soldiers that come through, plus give them realistic training environments to actually train in. So I think one of the most important things that our organization does here at the Gap is allowing soldiers to train so they can be ready for mobilizations. So we have the simulators where they can use, and they have to actually train in them before they go out to do live fire with their individual weapons, or they can go out into the field and they can, they're living in austere environments, or they're using ranges that are similar to what they would find on the battlefield with the targetry and the environment itself. We try and give them everything that they need to be turnkey, so they can just come in and do their job and accomplish their training metrics and then go home. Last year we were the #1 busiest National Guard post in the United States. I think probably the public is not aware that the local, state, and federal police train here on a regular basis. We actually do counter-drug training here. We help the local police with counter-drug activities. We have an Air Force Academy here on post that they train on the far side, and they do heavy equipment training. They do all sorts of engineer training. They do other things. We're utilizing everything that we can possibly do to make it a better place.